No.
No? French dirt bike sound different. I love the music. This guy's like me if I was crazy. He gets naked and just breaks shit. That's the same thing I did. I felt like if I could get him here, he'd bring me up another level, you know? I'm trying to advance, trying to learn some parkour. You know what I'm saying? You don't know what I'm saying. Yeah. You want to shower?
Yeah, of course.
Yeah, right here, bathroom. Come on, let's get naked and break shit. Who's down? Who's with me? He comes out of nowhere.
You don't call white smoke for nothing?
Yeah, why do you think they call me that?
Under no bulletproof.
No, we're in bulletproof, bro. We don't fuck around like that. Hey, when you're with white smoke, you're protected. All right, don't worry. Nah, mozzarella. You don't know what it's like in the hood. It's different, bro. I was there, bro. I seen it with my own eyes.
For 10 minutes?
I eat chicken for 10 minutes. More than that, probably 12 minutes.
Some watermelon?